Petra Hudcova from Prague, from the Czech Republic, and I am an artist in residence here in the Centro del Carme, and it's a residency organized by the Consorci de Museo with collaboration with the Meat Factory. And I've been working on a project trying to create a game, or it's something between a game and a performance and a situation. And it comes from my, it's a continuation of my previous work where I created situations using objects and drawings, and invited people into these games or situations to interact with the piece. So here my task was to bring in kind of a human element into the game and try to create a game that I could make in collaboration with people, but also ask people to act or play or help to be players in the game and act in certain situations and attract other visitors into the game and somehow create interactions with the visitors. And so that was one thing, and then the other one was that I wanted to create a certain atmosphere that the players and the situations would create, and that would be that the players have a sense of like a double reality. So that means that they are playing a game, but they think that they are playing certain game, but they are unknowingly playing a different game, and the other game might be somehow abusive. So there is this double. There is this element of good and evil, and I wanted to kind of focus on that, focus on the psychology of the players and how they feel during the play, and how they interact and how they act in certain situations. So that's what I wanted to focus on during this residency, and I've been working with students from the Permea course. They've been helping me to develop some ideas, and also we are practicing, and they will be in my final presentation. They will be the actors in the game, the players, and we will also hopefully invite other people from the general public to come and take part in the game. So it's very new for me to use people and to work with people and to kind of add this other dimension into my work, because I have made installations before and also invited people in, but it's new for me to work with people from the very start.